Rogers Yahoo Mail features built-in AI-enhanced spam filters that automatically detect and block unwanted emails. You cannot completely remove the core spam filter without disabling the account's spam protection entirely. Instead, you can adjust the sensitivity. If legitimate emails are marked as spam, use the Not Spam button. The system learns from these actions, improving its accuracy over time. These AI-driven systems have reduced false positives by 20% as of 2024. To block an email address in Rogers Yahoo Mail, start by accessing the Settings menu. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of your mailbox. From the Settings menu, select More Settings, then navigate to Security and Privacy. In the Security and Privacy section, locate and click on Blocked Addresses. Enter the specific email address or domain you want to block in the provided field. Once you've entered the address, click the Save button to apply the block. After saving, future emails from that sender will be automatically sent to your spam folder or discarded, preventing them from reaching your inbox. Custom rules in Rogers Yahoo Mail allow you to automate actions based on specific conditions, helping you organize your inbox efficiently. To create a custom rule, start by accessing the Settings menu in your Rogers Yahoo Mail account. Once in the Filters section, click the Add New Filter button to begin creating your rule. Now, define the criteria for your rule. You can choose from options like From to match sender addresses, Subject to match email subjects, or Contains to search for specific words in the message. Next, specify the action to take when the criteria are met. Common actions include moving the email to a specific folder, deleting the message, or forwarding it to another address. Finally, save your custom rule to activate it. The rule will now automatically process incoming emails that match your specified conditions. Here's an example of how custom rules can boost productivity. A small business owner used rules to sort customer inquiries containing keywords like order or complaint into separate folders, reducing response time by 40%, according to a testimonial in 2024. Remember to thoroughly test filters to avoid unintended consequences. Effective filter management requires understanding how filters work together and maintaining them over time. Here are key tips to optimize your Rogers Yahoo Mail experience. First, remember that filters are applied in the order they're created. Place your most important rules at the top to ensure they take precedence over less critical ones. Second, regularly review your filters. Over time, your email habits may change, so check that your rules are still catching the right messages and not blocking important ones. Third, use Yahoo's Report Spam button to train the AI. When you mark legitimate emails as spam or vice versa, it helps the system learn and improve its automatic filtering. Finally, be cautious of overblocking. While blocking unwanted senders is useful, excessive blocking can affect your email deliverability. Instead, consider whitelisting important senders to ensure you receive critical messages, as recommended by email experts at Litmus. Looking ahead, email filtering is set to become more intelligent and privacy-conscious. AI integration will automate rule creation and enhance spam detection accuracy. Privacy-focused filtering will prioritize user consent and data protection, aligning with regulations like Canada's PIPTA. By 2027, experts predict that 50% of email filters will be AI-generated, reducing manual setup. As of 2025, Yahoo reports that 85% of users interact with filters at least once a year. Stay updated with Rogers and Yahoo Mail's latest features to optimize your email security and management.